Oh yeah.
You know, I did a Supreme Court appeal on a traffic ticket here just 2-3 months ago, and I told my We Are Change Victoria team, and I told all my other teams that I belong to, and you know, we came into this small little room. It wasn't a big Supreme Court room. It was a tiny little room, and you know, there's a couple crowns sitting there and a couple lawyers in the corner there. And all of a sudden, you know, 15 people walked in of all ages, you know, a good old friend of mine, Jeremy, who's 70 something years old, and younger people and all sorts of people. And the whole crowd, everybody turned around and was like, what's this all about? They're like, what's this all about? And it's
Wow.
like, these people are interested in learning and supporting, because this is how you get it done, because the court of public opinion is in session, and it doesn't matter really what happens up there. These are the eyes, the souls, the ears that are going back to the ether, which is the work that needs to be done. So this is like, it was really powerful to be in that room, and because the last time I appealed the same seatbelt ticket in Supreme Court, I won.
Yeah.
If it helps or not, but We Are Change Victoria here. We're going to be bringing David Lindsay over to the island on the 31st of May, and he's going to be giving a seminar here on how to press criminal charges. And he's pretty much the only one that's in Canada that's created the annotated book of how to press criminal charges. And he's been successful in a couple times pressing charges on government officials, which in essence get them to drop their charges upon him and other people he's represented. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have ever personally met David Lindsay or not. I interviewed him on our channel, YouTube channel, like a half an hour or 1 hour kind of. I think it was a half an hour presentation. He's got a lot, like he's got a lot of history, and he's not in the box, but he's got a lot of history in the courts and drafting up stuff. And like, if you Google his name, you know, it's like, if you go to Canley, he's got like, you know, 1,000 court appearances. So he's definitely well versed when it comes to filing stuff and understanding how the courts work. And, you know, so anyways,
And yeah, I think we do have to charge a nominal fee just to legitimize it a little bit. You know, I mean, yeah, we could give it away, but is that smart economics? People would almost discredit it if you're giving it away for free.
You got to have value to it. You got to put a dollar value to it. Otherwise, people just see it as,
so. Yeah.
When you work hard for something, you appreciate it more. If you don't work hard for it and it's free, and that's the problem with half the movement, the truth movement and the freedom movement. And, you know, most activists are cheap and they don't want to pay for shit, you know, so.
Yeah, exactly.
But you got to pay for, like, I've gone to lots of workshops and lots of speakers, and sometimes it's like, oh, that was a waste. But at the end of the day, it's like, you got to invest in yourself. Otherwise, you're going to get nowhere, right? Because no one's going to do it for you.
Yeah.